All right, let's get this video going. And before we start, let's get on the correct screen. And I'll switch it over to right there. So what we're going to do is talk a little bit about your text callouts on your Facebook video ads. So what I have found is that delaying the callout, which the text callout is that bold text that shows up usually underneath at the bottom of the video. That's actually the best place. And so what I found is if you delay that by about a half a second, it really helps with the engagement. Because what you do is you first show, you've got your scene that you show people, and then you have this thing that pops up, and hopefully you can animate it maybe a little bit, and then that directs the eye from the product back to the text. So that keeps the eye contact on your screen and helps it keep people, retain people watching your video. So then the next thing is I found that all caps works the best with a nice sans serif font that's nice and bold with a good contrasting background and a color for the text that really pops out. So let's jump into this. I'll give you a couple examples. All right, I'm going to hit my Alt tab again, and we're going to jump into this video that I have looping here right now. So this is an ad that I'm running for a product with Facebook ads, and you can see as these scenes go by that the text call out shows up a little bit after the scene transition. Do you see that? It just popped up. Do you see how that pops up? I use it in most of the scenes, and there we go. So, and then the text call bounces around a little bit. It's a little bit, moves. See this one right here? It's something should pop. Oh, it didn't pop up in that one. Getting towards the end of the video, it'll loop again, and then we'll take a look. And there, see how that popped in a little bit later. It really grabs the eye. So what we want is to take control of the eyes of our the users on Facebook. So normally people are on their phone. I mean, they're looking at their phone and they're really searching for something. I'll grab my phone here. People get on Facebook and they are really, they turn on their phone and they're scrolling here, trying to find something. People are looking for distraction. So you should make yourself the distraction. Have something that really grabs their attention and holds it. You don't want to let that attention go at all. You want to grab it and hold it and get people to click on your ad. So just a couple quick tips here. Hope this, give them a try. Please let me know if this worked for you in the comments or somewhere. Just a little tip here that I found in the last few months that really, really works. And just let me know. And look forward to talking to you in the next video.